Welcome to Brilliant Infosystems. We help organizations transform warehouses, factories, and supply chains through smart warehouse solutions, RFID, factory automation, artificial intelligence, industrial IoT, and Industry 4.0 technologies. Today's businesses face inventory inaccuracies, manual processes, production inefficiencies, and limited operational visibility. Traditional systems often struggle to keep pace with modern operational demands. Brilliant delivers end-to-end smart warehouse and RFID solutions that improve inventory accuracy, warehouse productivity, material movement, and order fulfillment performance. Our solutions integrate warehouse management systems, RFID tracking, automated storage and retrieval systems, AGVs, and intelligent logistics automation for complete operational visibility. On the factory floor, Brilliant enables smart manufacturing through factory automation, manufacturing execution systems, AI vision, industrial IoT, and digital twin technologies. Manufacturers gain improved productivity, enhanced quality, real-time traceability, and data-driven operational control. With Brilliant Infosystems, organizations achieve higher inventory accuracy, increased productivity, improved traceability, reduced operational costs, and faster decision-making through intelligent automation. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our Brilliant Light solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.